Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites. NET6 or newer, Visual Studio, and the HTTP client packages installed. Once done, create a new Windows Forms or WPF project and add HTTP client via NuGet. This gives you robust async calls. Next, store the API key in user secrets or environment variables so you do not hard-code secrets. Then make your first GET request skeleton. Construct HTTP client, set default headers, and test a simple endpoint to verify connectivity and authentication. Now you implement the full request flow. Create async methods that return task T to keep the UI responsive, and await your HTTP client calls. Deserialize JSON responses into typed models so you can work with properties directly. This reduces runtime errors. When sending POST or PUT, serialize the model to JSON and include string content with application/JSON. Charset equals UTF-8. Make sure to inspect response. Status code and read the content when errors occur. Then implement retry and exponential backoff for transient. To finish, refactor into services and inject HTTP client using iHTTP client factory to avoid socket exhaustion and centralize configuration. You should add concise logging for requests and responses, but always mask API keys and PII. Then validate end-to-end with unit and integration tests that mock HTTP responses. If something goes wrong, first check timeout and status codes. A common fix is increasing timeout or handling 429 rate limits with backoff. Make sure to surface clear error messages to the user.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.